Welcome to the best pick. The best Paw Patrol Adventure Pack is probably one of the most sought-after toys for young fans of the popular animated series, offering a delightful blend of imaginative play and beloved characters that can bring hours of entertainment to children. This particular set is designed to capture the adventurous spirit of the Paw Patrol pups, encouraging kids to recreate their favorite rescue missions or invent entirely new ones, fostering creativity and storytelling skills as they engage with the iconic vehicles and figures. It's a fantastic way to keep little ones occupied and stimulate their minds through active, pretend play. Number 5. Nickelodeon Paw Patrol Me Reader Electronic Reader. Get ready for adventure with your favorite pups from Nickelodeon's Paw Patrol. This electronic reader brings the action to life. Join Chase, Sky, Marshall, and all their friends for exciting missions. These brave pups are always ready to help. With this electronic reader, you can press buttons to hear sounds and phrases. It makes reading a truly interactive experience. This set includes 8 amazing sound books filled with stories and fun. Explore different adventures with every book. It's designed for young children to enjoy. They can easily follow along and engage with the stories and sounds. Brought to you by PI Kids, this library offers hours of entertainment. It's a great way to encourage a love for reading. What we like. This electronic reader brings stories to life with engaging sounds. If you're looking for a way to make reading more exciting for young children, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love interactive play and enjoy hearing their favorite characters. What people say. The Paw Patrol Adventure Pack is a great toy for imaginative play. Kids can recreate their favorite Paw Patrol missions with this pack. It includes several Paw Patrol characters and accessories for extended fun. Number 4. Melissa and Doug PAW Patrol Pup Pack Backpack. Get ready for adventure with this exciting backpack. It's perfect for little ones who love to pretend and go on exciting rescue missions. This pack comes with everything needed for thrilling pretend play. It includes binoculars, a multi-tool, a working whistle, and mission cards to spark their imagination. It fosters creativity and confidence through engaging activities. This toy encourages teamwork and problem-solving without any screens. Looking for the perfect gift? This is a wonderful choice for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion to celebrate your child's milestones. For over 35 years, we've inspired imaginative play. Our toys encourage creativity, confidence, and social interaction through pretend adventures. Kids can wear this pack and gear up for exciting rescue missions. It encourages storytelling and teamwork for endless fun. What we like. This adventure pack encourages active, screen-free play with its included rescue gear. If your child loves pretend missions and wants to be just like their favorite pups, this is the perfect gift. It fosters creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving skills through imaginative scenarios. What people say. Backpack is on the smaller side, which is perfect for our 4-year-old. We love the little compartments in the outside for all of the accessories. Bag is sturdy and the accessories are too. It comes with a map, binoculars, compass, whistle and dog treats. Great for pretend play. The PAW Patrol Pup Pack Backpack is a cute and engaging set that kids will love, especially with the included whistle, binoculars, and mission cards that spark imaginative play. The color combination is bright and appealing, and the overall quality feels solid. Number 3. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed to make learning fun for your little one. It combines physical play pieces with interactive digital games. Experience the magic of Osmo, where children's actions with physical pieces come to life on the screen. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making learning accessible anywhere. This kit nurtures essential skills like pre-reading, letter formation, phonics, and creativity. It helps develop fine motor skills, problem-solving, and spatial reasoning. With 6 educational games covering counting, shapes, and phonics, your child will explore and learn through play. They can experiment with costumes and create stories. Perfect for ages 3-5+, this kit provides a stress-free environment for experimentation and learning. Real-time feedback encourages children to explore at their own pace. The kit includes everything needed to start: an Osmo base, reflector, costume pieces, sticks and rings for forming letters and numbers, a play mat, and 4 engaging apps. What we like. This kit offers a magical learning experience, blending physical play with digital content for early education. If you want to introduce your child to foundational concepts like math, phonics, and creativity in a fun, engaging way, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for preschoolers who are ready for a more structured yet playful learning environment. What people say. The Paw Patrol Adventure Pack is a great toy for imaginative play. It includes several Paw Patrol characters and accessories, allowing for hours of fun. The pack is well made and durable, ensuring it can withstand rough play. Number 2. Spin Master Paw Patrol, the movie Adventure City Lookout Tower board game. Get ready for an exciting adventure with the Paw Patrol. Based on the hit movie, this game brings the action right to your tabletop. Be the first to collect the action tokens needed to win. But hurry, the obedient school is filling up fast with lonely pups. Rider's Special Console reveals your pup's unique mission. Discover what tokens you need to find to save Adventure City before it's too late. This easy-to-play board game is perfect for screen-free fun. Gather your family and friends for an exciting game night suitable for all ages. Designed for 2 to 6 players, it's great for kids ages 4 and up, teens, and adults. Everyone can join in the fun and have a blast. The game comes with a game board, lookout tower, console, character movers, action tokens, mission cards, and more. All you need for an epic adventure. What we like. This board game brings the excitement of the movie to your tabletop with a unique reveal technology. If you're searching for a fun, family-friendly activity that encourages strategic thinking and friendly competition, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for game nights and for fans of the Paw Patrol movie looking for an interactive adventure. What people say. Great game for young kids. My 4-year-old autistic grandson loves it. It's easy to play and keeps him engaged. This is a cute game that the whole family can play together. Mon fil itima fille durant. Bonjour, facile à jouer et en français aussi, smiley face. Number 1. Paw Patrol Potty Time Sound Book. Join your favorite Paw Patrol pups on an exciting potty training journey. This interactive sound book makes learning fun and engaging for little ones. With the press of a button, hear cheerful songs and sounds that encourage successful potty trips. It's a musical way to celebrate every milestone. Chase, Sky, Marshall, and the whole team are here to help your child feel confident. They offer encouragement and celebrate every little victory. This sound book features delightful sounds that make potty time a positive experience. It helps build good habits in a playful and rewarding way. Turn a potentially challenging time into a fun adventure. This book provides the support and encouragement needed for a smooth potty training process. Let the Paw Patrol guide your child through potty training. Their presence makes learning feel like a game, easing any worries they might have. What we like. This sound book makes potty training a more engaging and less daunting experience with fun sounds. If you're a parent looking for a positive reinforcement tool to help your child through potty training, this is a great companion. It's designed for little ones who respond well to music and interactive elements during this developmental stage. What people say. It is interactive and it helped him with his toilet training. He loved the sounds and pics. She loved the sound buttons and liked celebrating the wins in the book. Pressing the buttons keeps her entertained while she sits and waits her 5 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.